guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So today I'm here with another video where I will show you how to make this cute little scrunchie. So guys, if you love to put hair ties in your hair and you don't want it to look so bare, you can just crochet on top of the hair tie to make it look cute as this one here. So as you see, this is all the materials that you'll be needing to create this little cutie here. You'll have your yarn needle, stitch marker, your 4.0mm crochet hook, yarn and scissors, and also your hair tie, of course. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. And to my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. So let's jump in the video. So guys, I have my 4.0mm crochet hook here. And to begin, we are going to make a tie onto our ear tie here. And we're going to do this 2 times. So I'm just going to make a knot twice. Okay, and I'm just going to flip this to the side because we will be weaving this as we go along. Get your hook, insert your hook under your yarn, go under, pull up a loop and make a single crochet. So now that we made that, we are going to chain 1 and then we're going to make half double crochet right around. We're going to make a total of 40. If you have a bigger ear tie, then you will definitely need more than 40 half double crochet around to make sure that it is very stiff. Well, not really stiff, but yeah, just to make it tight enough. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And we're going to continue doing that until I get to 40. And I will see you then. So now I reached to my 40 and this is stiff enough for me. So now I am going to do a slip stitch on top of this first half double crochet here. Insert your hook and pull through, make your slip stitch. And now we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 into the next stitch here. Just from this first one, we are going to do a single crochet. So that's 1, chain 3, and in the next we are going to do another. So that's 2. So we're just going to continue making chain 3 and making single crochet in the next stitch. And then chain 3, single crochet in the next, chain 3. So this is the sequence all around. And we're going to repeat this 3 times. So this is our first row, and then we're going to do 2 more rows of this. So I will see you at the end of making my first row of 3. So now I am coming up to my last 2 here, and I have my chain 3. Just going to make my single crochet here, chain 3 again, and going to my last one here, chain 3, and this is where we are going to use our stitch marker just to mark our first one that we're going to start in our second row. So moving on to row 2, make your single crochet in the next one here, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go into the next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, into the next, and continue doing this same sequence right around, and you will notice that it started to get its curl. So continue doing that, and I will see you at the end. Make sure that when you get to here, you will know that this is where we started row 2, and then you will use your stitch marker again to mark so where we start row 3. So I'll see you at the end of row 3. So now I have reached my last 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll just do my last one here, but instead of doing a single crochet, I'll just do a slip stitch, and just pull up on your yarn, cut that off, and pull through. And I'm going to use my yarn needle to weave in the tail here. So I am just going to go into this, any one of these stitch you can go into, but I'm just going to go into this one here on this side. So the first one on this chain 3 here, and I'm going to pull that, and then I am going to go to the next one on this side. So now you can see we have a clean cut there, and I'm just going to go in and weave in my tail. You can weave your tail anyhow you want to. I'm just going to cut and put that aside. And there it is. Our hair tie is now completed. Quick, fast, and easy. So guys, I hope that you loved this tutorial, and I hope that it was beneficial to you, and I hope that it will look cute in your hair. And thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.